Hello everyone, hope everyone is safe and fine. We've all been locking down, and again, my name is Seng. I'm from Qlife Canada, and today I got an email, all right, regarding about how to clean all the devices, including the Q mist, right? It's really easy, even though the manufacturer in Qlife today has already put up a video. We sell a different product. Our citric acid is in a pack like this instead of in a bottle, and they say 4 caps. Oh, 4 caps is simply just 1 tablespoon. All right, okay. So how much water? Literally is 300 ml of water. All right, today I'm just going to be making it easy for most everyone. First of all, if you are in Vancouver or you know you have rainwater, only rainwater, basically soft, super soft water, you can use it directly from your tap. If not, if you're in Toronto, Ontario, Quebec, Calgary, Edmonton, Red Deer, Moose Jaw, you got a point. Okay, get yourself a distilled water. Okay, all right, 4 liter, $1.99. Reason is that your water is too hard. You're going to just waste the time cleaning. Oh, it's not going to be as effective. All right. Today, just for demonstration, we'll be using distilled water. Fill it up to 300 ml. Okay, just slightly above 1 cup. If you don't know, just put 1 cup. It's fine. It's not rocket science. That's what you guys say. Rocket science. Hope that everything else is good right now, right? You know, you hope rocket science, everything's rocket science fast. No. Okay. All right. Okay. So 1 tablespoon, doesn't have to be accurate. It can be more, it can be less. Doesn't matter. Put it in there. All right. Give it a stir. The only science you need to know is know how to stir. That's right. And make sure it's well dissolved. Okay. The maintenance and procedure on page 16 on the Q Touch is pretty bad. I didn't really notice that. It didn't say how much citric acid, and it says use white vinegar if you want. I'll talk a little bit about that after this, okay? And then it says bring it up to 60 degrees Celsius. We'll talk a little bit about that later too. All right, okay, so once the mixture is done, okay, all right, it's totally dissolved. Okay, the 300 ml, if you have the H2L, you pour literally down here. There's a thing here, 200 ml for scale or 100 for clean. And it literally means 200 for the scale. You're doing a descaling, right? And then the rest 100, well, you should use about 200 ml, 200 ml on each of them. Just for demonstration, we're just going to be putting in. Okay, doesn't matter. All right. Okay. If you have a Q mist, of course you don't need as much of it. Just a little bit in there, and just to soak it full in there. All right. Okay. Here. So once you soak it in there, and I know the instructions here says, now we're going back to it. It says 30 minutes, 60 degrees Celsius. All right. That's if you bring it up to warm, and then, but you don't want it to be too hot. You don't want to take a chance to cook it. All right. So you gotta know it's below the 60 degrees. Reason why they want to do it warm is because it make it more effective and clean. But in my experience, it doesn't need to. All right. I have enough experience with all this product. Literally, all these products. This one here, I helped design it. Okay. All right. So no. All right. Regular room temperature, not cold, just room temperature. That's why it's like this. All right. It'll be fine. Soak it for 1 hour instead of half an hour. That's how you can do basically get away with the 60, not warming it up. Just regular temperature, soak it for 1 hour. Don't worry about this. We'll talk a little bit now with that later. Same thing, same thing. Okay, 1 hour. All right. Later on, you're going to rinse it off with 5 to 6 times the water. Show you guys another trick. This has no water. Not for this, but it works for this. Remove it, rinse it. Okay, rinse the cup separately. That way, you don't need to use as much water. Okay, all right. Okay, so All right, now you got another trick now. Okay, it will work for this too, but I'm not going to show you because of that. But this, you got to really pour it out, rinse it out 5-6 times. You got the message on that. Okay, same as for this, rinse it out well, really well. Okay, because it's really hard to pour in and out. So just make sure you rinse it and don't get it too wet on these machines. Okay. Another thing is, okay, in the instruction manual it says use white vinegar 60 degrees Celsius. In my opinion, only if you're allergic to citric acid, I know some people are, then don't do it. Okay, it does not really work that well with white vinegar. If you could take it after you rinse it for over 60 minutes, right? After that, you rinse it 5-6 times. If it works with citric acid, great, stay with it. Okay, white vinegar, after you warm it up, you soak it for even 1 hour, half an hour, whatever. In my opinion, it does not de-skill that well. Okay, that's why we came up with citric acid, a more professional way of cleaning. Okay, it's nothing to do with mud. My cost of this at $10 will last you over a year. Your bottle of vinegar, even if you buy at a dollar store, that's $2 for 4 liter, will only last you for 6 months. All right, only a few clean, basically 1 cup, 2 cup, you'll be done. Okay, so it's still more economical and easier to stay with it. Okay, so especially if you have so many products like me, you definitely need 1 big pack and then just clean it, right? Okay, the user manual is great, but this time it's a little bit incorrect. Okay, all right, okay, all of you guys stay safe. When you're done, just basically pour it out. Okay, go under the faucet and literally just rinse it out with 5 to 6 times the water, or separate this. Then after that, and then basically just rinse it. Okay, make sure you don't get water onto the device. All right, don't get it soaking wet. Don't dunk it in water. I've seen people do it before. They dunk the whole thing in citric acid, and right, when you rinse it, don't rinse the whole damn thing under the running water. Okay, what else have I seen people do? The best one, 2 times. Should dunk the whole thing in those citric acid twice. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All you guys stay safe. If you guys like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you guys have any questions, hit down the comment button at the bottom so I can answer and reply you guys as soon as possible. If you guys want to know anything else, just give me a thumbs up. Sorry. Leave me a comment at the bottom below, and then I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. I'll probably make a video like this for you guys. All right. Okay. Everyone stay safe, stay healthy. Remember, it does make sanitized water, so make sure you do it. Okay, bye.